Hello, and welcome to Slant News TV. Today, we'll be exploring one of the most notorious conspiracy theories of all time, the idea that the moon landing was faked. This theory alleges that the United States government never actually sent astronauts to the moon in 1969, and that the entire thing was an elaborate hoax designed to win the Cold War. But is there any truth to this theory? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's take a look at the evidence that supports the moon landing actually happened. There are numerous pieces of evidence that point to the fact that the moon landing was real, including thousands of photos and videos. NASA released thousands of photos and videos of the moon landing, many of which were taken by the astronauts themselves. These images show everything from the lunar landscape to the astronauts planting the American flag on the moon's surface. Independent verification: other countries, including the Soviet Union, were monitoring the United States' progress during the space race. If the moon landing had been faked, these countries would have quickly called the US out on it. The moon rocks: astronauts brought back samples of moon rock during their missions, which have been studied by scientists all over the world. The composition of these rocks is consistent with what we would expect from the moon's surface, and they have not been found anywhere else on Earth. The astronauts themselves, the men who landed on the moon, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, have all spoken extensively about their experiences. They have provided detailed accounts of what they saw and did on the moon, and their stories have remained consistent over the years. Now, let's take a look at some of the arguments made by those who believe the moon landing was faked. These include the waving flag. Some people have pointed to the American flag planted on the moon's surface, which appears to be waving in the wind. However, there is no wind on the moon, so how could the flag be moving? In reality, the flag was designed to remain extended without any wind, and the movement we see in videos is the result of the astronauts handling the flagpole. The lighting: some people have argued that the lighting in the moon landing photos and videos is inconsistent with the direction of the sun. However, this can be easily explained by the fact that the moon's surface reflects light differently than Earth's surface, and the astronauts were wearing reflective spacesuits. The lack of stars: some people have pointed out that there are no stars visible in the moon landing photos and videos. However, this can be explained by the fact that the cameras used to capture these images were not designed to capture stars. In conclusion, there is overwhelming evidence to support the fact that the moon landing did occur. While some people may believe that the landing was faked, the evidence simply does not support this theory. As we continue to explore the mysteries of space and push the boundaries of human exploration, let's remember the incredible achievement of the moon landing and the bravery of the astronauts who made it possible. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to Slant News TV for more thought-provoking content like this. Thank you for watching.